western Obion counties. At 11:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sharon, or near Martin, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martin, Dressing, Greenfield, Gleason, Kenton, Rutherford, Sharon, Rives, Sandhill, Fredonia, Hinver, Mount Pelia, Good Luck, Moffett, Kimmery, Ralston, Schaffner, Terrell, McConnell, and Pillaville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee, Obion and Weakley. A tornado warning remains in effect until 12